Okay, you see all that nasty noise right there in the signal? Well, I'm going to show you what that's coming from. Okay, what that noise is coming from is this mobility scooter. It has four 12-volt batteries, each one 20 amps. What someone needs to do to make a better battery charger for it that does not get off those RFs like that. It's probably a switching power supply. It's very dirty. So I thought post that so in case you get any interference, you got one of these cruising around your neighborhood. Well, guess what? Might be this thing here. Yep. Anyhow, it has a little charger. It plugs in the wall, 120 volts, and who knows how many amps it puts out. But I thought I'd share this. I'll show you the power supply. Right now it's flashing because it's like conditioning the final charge stage of the battery. So anyhow, anyone out there like to make things and they want to make money, make a new battery chargers for these mobility scooters, because they're probably going to be all over the place. You see them now in Hemet and Lake Elsinore. So this might be where noise is coming from. You got a guy down the street has one of these. So if you build one, put it on the market to sell, ham radio operators ain't going to like the noise. Some of them are going to go out and buy a new one that doesn't make this noise for this thing, and they'll give it to the owner. And plus, it'll be a replacement charger they can put on the shelf at the place that sells these.